Now to get the rotor off, we're gonna need a 13 millimeter, a 21 millimeter, and a T50 longer socket. First thing we're gonna do is hang the caliper up there on the shock. And now we're gonna remove these two big bolts that hold on the caliper bracket. And it's a 21 millimeter. Next we have to use the T50 and go in there and remove those, and that's what holds the hub to the van. Just going to go ahead and remove those, and there are 5 of them. That's what they look like. Get these bolts out of there. Now that that's loose, we're going to go ahead and get this off. Since we're replacing the rotor, we're going to beat it off. It's been running all day.
Now we're just going to remove these 5 bolts that hold the rotor to the hub.
There's a part number from Ford.
Now we're going to line up these holes here so we can get these T50 bolts back through and mount the assembly back onto the van. We're going to feed one of the bolts through just to help us line everything up.
Gonna get them all started before we tighten them all the way down. All right, just gonna snug them up in a crisscross pattern. Well, I'm looking at the hub and seeing how I'm looking at it, because it's pressing the hub into the knuckle. I'm just getting them there, and then I'll snug them up with by hand. Yeah, I guess. See, it's not very tight.
But you gotta walk it in like that, don't you?
Yeah, you gotta walk it in because it's gotta go pretty straight.
Yeah.
So what I'm doing is jumping around a little bit, bolt to bolt, just tightening it a little bit more each time so that the hub seats into the steering knuckle evenly. And once it's all the way seated, I'll go ahead and snug them up. Now we're just going to bolt the caliper mounting bracket back up.